Hey, good morning. How you doing? So I've got a few AC units. You can see two of them behind me, and they've been here. These two were installed 7 years ago, and I have not cleaned them. I hadn't even looked at them, and I decided I'm gonna check them out. So I've got one apart and one not apart. Let's have a look. All right, there's one. You can see in there, maybe. Yeah, it's pretty dirty, but here's a way better view. So see all this dirt? You're just blocking the airflow, and the central AC just is not working to the best of its capacity. So I'm gonna clean those out, and I suspect that it's 100% gonna run better for sure. But I also suspect that it might affect the hydro consumption. So we'll see. And then this here is the cleaned part. I've already cleaned it. Okay, 2 clean air conditioners. Pretty happy about this. Look at all the dirt came out. Success.